just open the bag of this and yeah, and you just add it in, and then.
然后里面会有一些肥料或液肥。
Yeah, and they also add some of the water soluble fertilizers into it. So it's a mixture of water, fertilizers, and also our products in that.
Does this go back and circulate back or?
No, it just goes dripping directly dripping. Yeah. Some of the fruits, most of the fruits is already harvested, so there's only a tiny, couple ones on it. But you can see it's pretty nice. The growth is pretty nice.
They use spray straight to the roots.
Right.
So make it, it won't waste the product, and it will be more efficient for the soil to get wet.
Well, use the spray it to the leaf, huh?
No, direct to soil. Direct to soil.
冬天的话，如果比较冷，因为它生长会迟缓，可能会到3个月。
Within 25 days?
75 days.
75 days? How many times you spray? One or?
2 to 3.
2 to 3.
2 to 3. And it depends on the temperature. If it go really low, it can be max up to 4 months.
Okay.
3 to 4 months.
You're talking about what's the temperature in winter?
Winter.
18, 20? Or less?
大概几度？温度，冬天温度大概几度？
就大概20至25吧。夏天可以到快50。
Oh, 20 to 25. It's a winter.
That's winter.
Yes, and for
the summer is?
In summer is around almost 50 degrees.
Right.
Yeah. So it depends. We only use 2 to 3 times, and it also depends on the. If it go really hot, the soil get dry up very fast.
That's the point.
That's the point.
So they can grow back.
Yes. And cucumber, if its temperature go higher, it grow faster. Yeah. In winter, it grow a little bit slower, so it take up to 3 to 4 months.
Here, this gentleman is doing cucumber.
Yes.
Others are doing other crops.
Other crops, yes.
然后这边都是交给那种大卖场，像全联、家乐福那种。
And after they harvested, they gave it to like a supermarket chain store.
They directly supply to the
Yeah. So let's supply to one of the couple biggest supermarkets in Taiwan. And it's cucumber, so it's like 4 seasons. You can plant cucumbers anytime.